Your contract cloud is an incredibly important part of your GovDash system. And this is because it's where we're going to store our contract records, which influence how past performances are created. And so within your contract cloud, the first thing that you'll see is that if you have any documentation in your data library that contains contract numbers, GovDash will actually be able to parse through that, and if it's something that you haven't already added to your contract cloud, it's going to recommend those opportunities and ask you if you do want to pull them in. When you're getting your contracts into the contract inventory here, what you're going to want to do is press the Update Contract Inventory and click Add New Contract. From there, it's going to ask you if you have one contract that you want to add. You can do them individually. Or if you have a whole bunch of contracts, maybe in an Excel sheet or something, or a CSV, that you want to get in all at once. So when it comes to kind of that bulk import, all you'll have to do is upload a spreadsheet, and then the system will walk you through how to line up the fields in your spreadsheet to the fields that GovDash requires. When it comes to this individual upload, what GovDash is going to ask you for is typically the first document will be the contract document, or any document that contains some identifying values like the contract ID or the title or other things like that. The next document is the next phase is when it will ask you for the PWS or the SOW or maybe the SOO. And this is because it's typically best practice to have that sort of document here in the record. But you can always skip that if needed. And then the last part is it will ask you for any other documents tied to this contract. So that could be the winning proposal that you submitted in order to receive the award, any monthly status reports that have been issued on this contract, CPARs, any write-ups that you've done yourself, and you can add all of those, and they'll be organized neatly in the contract record here when you click on Documents. And you can always add more documents by clicking this Attach button right here and either pull them in directly from your data library or from your file system. If you do add a new document and it contains conflicting information with any of the information already in the record, so maybe the period of performance has been extended or something, the system is actually smart enough to identify the discrepancies, and then it will make a suggestion to you asking if it can update to the new data that it's found. And so this is how you can manage all of your contract records within the system. We have filtering right from here too. You can also search across all of these. We'll be adding a whole bunch of really exciting features where you can ask questions on top of these as well.